Gotta be one of the weirdest things that we've witnessed. Our splashback spontaneously cracked by itself, and yeah, there was a loud noise and it just blew up. This is a wall that's an external wall, so maybe it was thermal stress. But yeah, that's scary, and this would be quite expensive to replace. So we've got splashbacks here which have been under more thermal stress, I'm guessing. But for some reason this guy spontaneously broke. There was also no physical, it wasn't like it was hit or anything, so can't work out why it suddenly decided to crack. Anyway, this is what I show you guys. In case anyone else has had similar issues, we're gonna call to see whether this is covered by insurance, but I don't think it is. You can see that it's just sort of a piece of glass that's stuck onto a wall, so we're probably just gonna remove it and not replace it, because it's probably gonna cost quite a lot of money. Okay, well, hopefully we can repair this.